In a very unfortunate incident that took place in the Netherlands, several people have been injured after a train carrying at least 50 people collided with a construction crane in the southern part of the country. A fire was also reported after the passenger train derailed following a collision with the construction crane. The front carriage of the passenger train derailed after and plowed into a field, ANP news agency said. The second carriage was on its side and a fire broke out in the rear carriage, it added. It was earlier reported that the train collided with another train, but later local officials said that the train collided with a construction crane. A freight train was present on the spot but was not involved in the crash with the train. Rescue teams were at the scene of the accident near Voorschoten, a village between The Hague and Amsterdam, a notice from the local emergency services said. A rescue operation is ongoing and emergency crews have been rushed to the spot. Pictures from the scene showed overturned carriages and a plume of smoke rising in the night sky. Several ambulances were seen standing ready to transport the injured. It concerns a collision between the passenger train and construction material, the emergency services said in a statement. Several dozen injured people are being treated at the scene and taken to the hospital if necessary. At least one person was killed in the crash, according to local TV channel Omroep West. A spokesperson for railway operator NS said that about 50 to 60 passengers were on the train. The first part of the train ended up in the field, the middle overturned next to the track, and the last part of the train was briefly on fire. The exact number of injured was still unknown as of 6 a.m., but emergency services said that some people were seriously injured. 3 medical helicopters were called to the scene. As per some reports, the freight train also collided with the crane. More details are awaited.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.